a funny hairstyle. Couldn't wait for this. I'm Danny. I'm Julie. Wonderland. Oh, hi everyone. I'm Danny. I'm Julie. Wonderland. We were just wondering who will be the lucky one to win this golden coin. We are just about to jump in a giant board game. So Danny, we need to do a teletransport. 3, 2, 1. Look at this giant board game. Wherever we land, under this post-it note, there should be what we'll have to do. So let's do rock, paper, scissors to decide who starts. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won, so I start rolling the dice. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what we have to do. It says 3 push-ups. Danny hates push-ups. I'm going to do them.
1, 2, 3.
It's my turn to turn this marble Yuxo dice. I got number 3. Please be 1, 2, 3. She got a yellow one. Oh, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Danny and Julie Wonderland, to get notifications when we post fun videos like this one. So I'm gonna open. Oh, it's long. No. Country with the most people. This is simple. Asia. No, country, not continent. United States of America? No. United Kingdom? No. Italy? No. Move back one space.
Oops.
Name a country with the letter S. Easy. Santorini. That's not a country. That's not a country. It is. It's a
country.
Island. Spain.
Yay!
Okay, that was the dice. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try. Build a 2-floor house with cards. Look. We're going to stay here for 2 hours. 1 hour later. First floor.
Not yet.
I have to use 2 cards that make 10, 7 and 3. Don't. This is good luck. 1 and 9. Oh. Yes, no. Last one.
And now the hardest part.
Yeah! Congratulations! Look. 6! Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see what she got. I'm on blue. Give other player a funny hairstyle. Whoa! Yay! Okay, I'm coming right back. I'm gonna get my ponytails. I want to go 2 spaces back now.
Sorry, Danny. The only other player, it's you.
Do I have to stay with for the whole game?
Yes.
Yay! You did Danny the most funniest hairstyle, and I'm so happy. You want it on your nose or your hair? Hair. that's me. Are you ready to see the final outcome? I present Daddy the Easter egg.
Oh.
Daddy, do you like it? Explain it.
No. Couldn't wait for this.
Danny, does this mean that tomorrow you're gonna go out to school like this?
No, I'm not.
Oh, look how adorable my Easter egg.
Stop, can you take everything off now? It's my turn. 2,
Look at
2, 2, 1, 2.
See.
A different pasta type. Penne, rigatoni, spirali, tagliatelle, spaghetti.
Yes.
3. 1, 2, 3. Swap position. Swap position.
Back one time because Julie got the swap position.
So I got one space forward. So I
But
went
now-
one space forward.
But now it's my turn. 1.
One.
Lily grabbed my dice. Sorry, Daddy, I need to leave house.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Go back spaces.
Ballerina. I'm going to show you 2 moves that I really know perfectly. Daddy, you want to join? So that's the first move. Turn around with one leg. The second move that at home you can try is this one.
Oh wow.
Let me try.
Danny, are you okay?
Okay, I paused that. This is Daddy.
Let's turn the dice. 5. 1, 3, 2, 5,
3,
6,
4,
7.
6.
How do you say good morning in French? Bonjour.
Comment ça va?
Ça va bien et toi?
Ça va bien.